nandyan man si Anyo. He was my national security advisor. Advisor mo yan, Bongbong. Tanungin mo kung mayroon bang gentleman's agreement. Aywan ko, ayaw kong mag-insulto. Inumpisahan mo eh. Tinawagan mo sana ako, hindi ka makatanggap nito. Ikaw, putang ina ka, hindi ka nakatapos hanggang second year college pa lang. Dumaan ako sa lahat ng taga-Foreign Affairs, Undersecretary Ingles, si Ambassador Terona, Diana, si David Draco, then si Maria Sisto. Doon ako medyo nag-container. Kaya kung sabihin, mas marunong kayo sa akin. Alam kong ginagawa ko. Diplomatic and consular procedure. Master ko po yan, dumaan ako dyan. Any question?
Okay, questions? Edith? Okay. Jermelina Lacorte from Inquirer. Mike.
Sa inyong recollection po, was there a written agreement and was it binding? If you are looking into the documents, that means that there was a written agreement.
Ayun.
Yes, sir. And also, sir,
Maraming agreement siya. When you're dealing with the foreign relations, maraming agreement siya. Not only with China, but with all of the mostly Asian countries. Hindi basta-basta na lang sabihin mo huwag sa Palipay.
about what Harry Roque, former spokesperson Harry Roque mentioned, that the agreement banned the gentleman agreement, parang what he mentioned was walang pwedeng construction materials that can be brought to the PRP Sierra Madre and only food and water. Yun daw ang content ng agreement.
At is your not.
Yeah, so
You cannot bring in materials to repair and improve. Wala yan.
So totoo, Mayor,
Totoo yan.
na mayroong agreement.
No agreement. As is where is.
So bawal ang construction materials.
Well, ganun. As is where is nga. Kasi kung Sierra Madre pa lang, if allowed, matagal na na-repair yan, nakauwi na yan dito.
And is it binding sa present administration?
Well, if it's brave enough, kaya gusto ko sabi ko, nandyan kaya yung Amerika, why don't the Philippine Navy get itong panghila at repair it? Or, huwag na yan. Nandiyan pa kaya ang Amerika? Occupy the islands and drive the Chinese away.
Mayor, in the context of Secretary of State that was given the as is where is, so the ship there will be allowed to rot in time because no repair is allowed, and which the President, which Marcos says, that is very alarming because if you cannot repair it, if it will rot there, it will be destroyed. Then we have nothing there
Kaya ito sabi ko kay Marcos, stop complaining and expounding on it. Do it and repair. Yan ang sasabi ko sa kanila. I challenge them na sila man sa gobyerno ngayon, i-repair nila at gumawa sila doon ng mga bahay-bahay kung saan. If they are really ready for that. Gawain na nila ngayon gusto nilang gawin. Ipatrol na nila yung Philippine Navy, the gray ships, and let us see what happens. Tapos na kami. Kung sabihin ni Marcos, all of you past presidents were failures. You didn't do anything about Sierra Madre. Mr. President, I am challenging you to go to Alonan with the other ships and repair it. Yan ang dapat. Following yun. Subukan nila. Kami takot. Ayaw namin ng gera. Kung sa kanya, hindi ba kagera kasi andyan yung Navy, di gawain mo. You have the ironclad guarantee of the Navy that they will, U.S. Navy, that they will own the island.
Are we saying that the recent maritime cooperation exercise is just a show of force, and even if Japan, Australia, Philippines, and the United States will collaborate to repair this Sierra Madre, still it's an exercise in futility?
Would you take that risk? Go ahead. Bring in Japan and the rest of the ASEAN countries and let us do.
Are you saying there will be a bloodshed?
See what?
There will be a bloodshed. War. Oh.
Wala akong sinabi. Sinabi ko lang subukan nila and see what happens.
The way you listened to President Z during your meeting, he said you can do this because there will be this possible war.
One more lang. Nandyan kami lahat.
What was it?
Do not do it because there will be trouble. It was heard by all.
So it was a stern warning from China.
Well, that was the reply. Which warning? Ikaw naman, you interpret.
If you are to advise the Philippine government in this era of Philippine government's position on the West Philippine Sea, and if you are asked to a one-cent opinion, what will you tell the Philippine government, or what will you tell the Filipino people given these conditions?
My advice would be totally irrelevant. Sila ang magtanong doon sa Amerikano. Sila ang kasi ang gumagawa. Hindi naman ako bakit ako.
Mayor, pwede mo balik lang po. I just want to make it clear. So you said that where is, as is, where is, there was an agreement. And was it written or verbal only? And
Verbal. Verbal. Walang written sa amin. During my relations with China, during my trip, walang written, simply mga trade which were signed by the undersecretaries of the particular department of service. At kami lang ako. Kami lang ako.
it's not binding. It's not binding.
No, it is binding. That's it. Just because it was not signed, other agreements other trade agreements signed are binding sa atin. Hindi mo kailangan ang presidente ang pupunta doon.
Okay. Thank you, Jermelina. Sir Al.
You cannot put to task the president to sign all agreements with all other countries. Because that's what it takes. Kaya may dala ng mga diplomatics, trade secretary, trade secretary.
Sir Al,
I am
next
just
question.
asking you to exactly, meron ka mga reporter, talk me exactly para walang misconception, misunderstanding.
Thank you, Mayor. Sir Al.
Okay, may gabi Mayor Alvin sa Solo. Gihimong issue ni Bongbong Marcos just because of Harry Roque.
Ipalayo yung para
Gihimong issue ni PBBM ang statement ni Harry Roque, and then your advisor Attorney Salvador Panilo, sinabi niya, tinawagan ko ang presidente na kausap kami, walang gentleman agreement. Bakit sinabi ni Harry Roque na mayroong gentleman agreement at yan ang ginagawang issue ni PBBM niyo?
Si Harry Roque wala pa rin. Harry Roque joined my administration almost halfway na. Ang si Panelo ang nandun. Wala si Harry Roque. He was not there because he was not part of the government Philippines. So, wala ko akong paisagot dyan kay about Harry Roque. Ask him again.
Okay.
Kung may agreement man kami, President CGP, walang secret agreement yan. We agree. Then after that, yung agreement namin, isasabi namin sa mga tao, foreigner in particular, to verbalize everything that is being said in whisper. Kung meron man.
Bakit sinabi ni Harry Roque, wala pa siya doon noong panahon na yun, bakit sinabi niya, nakakalito, ginawang issue ni PBBM ngayon? Bago siya lumipat ng Amerika, ginawa niyang issue ni meron daw kayong...
Do you know Harry Roque? Do you know him? Do you have an idea of what his personality is? Meron kayong idea?
Maraming salamat, Al. Si Richie sa, and then Randy after.
May gabi, Mayor. Mayor, isulti mo kanina that when you go to China, after nagisultihan ka ni Xi Jinping that hindi pwede maistoryahan ang imong pangayo sa iya about the conflict of the West Philippine Sea. After anak, wala na ba series of talks na naitabo?
Tapos na lahat. During our first meeting, nandito yung cabinet ko. Nandito yung mga military sa Luzon. What would be the point in bringing up the matter again with him? Kung sinabi sa iyo, please do not do that. Anong ibig sabihin niya? Trouble na yan sa kanya kasi may nuclear bomb na. That's a big deal for all of us. Matutunaw itong Pilipinas.
after before you get out from the office, Mayor, wala na ba any attempts to bugi na siya ng isputanan? Kanang after atong China and then for how many years kaya ka sa pwesto pa kung kamuhawa, wala na ba kayo attempt na bugi siya ng istorya?
Well, the day I went out of Malacanang, totally out of the governmental nobody would believe me. Pagsanot lang yung police at yung military, pagka may posisyon na. Pag wala ka na sa posisyon, sabihin ng military, sabihin mo na,
Salamat, Richie. Randy Cañedo.
Mayor, my concern is for the 120 million Filipinos na 21 million Filipinos na sinasabi mo baka mag-vanish tayo, mag-purpose tayo. And thinking na ikaw, ilan lang namin, pero walang kinatatakutan. Now, being afraid for the sake of the Filipino, and hindi mo na pinatulan yung sinabi ni si Jinping, there will be trouble. It seems like you're sending that message right now to BBBM na ito yung sinabi ni Xi Jinping, there will be trouble. What if our present president will not listen to this at makumbinsi siya ng Amerika na kasi nandun siya ngayon, paano pagbalik niya, sinabi niya, makikipaggera tayo. What can we do?
good. Let him try it. Magtago ka na. That is very good. But ang gusto kong tanongin, bakit ang three ships ng American Navy yung malapit sa Lamarua, ng padistansya,